Today in Buzz Talk, I'm covering our liquid art. Our liquid art comes in 3 colors, blue, red, and yellow, which is our primary colors. So if you mix these colors, you will get the secondary colors. So what you will do is you will take your monomer, put that in your dampen dish, and I've already added some blue colorant in there. This is an ink, so you can't use it on its own. You have to mix it with monomer. So I always advise that you keep a separate brush for your liquid art because it will stain your brush. But I just want to show you that if I use it then with my XXX white powder, it's going to turn this into a blue. And the more blue I'm going to put with my liquid art, the more darker the color is going to be. And if I dip it into my clear powder, I'm going to get this transparent clear powder that is tinted blue. So I'm going to add red to this, just a few drops. Again, it depends on the intensity of your color. How dark do you want your shades? And now I've created purple. So again, if I take my brush and I put this in my XXX white, I've got now this purplish color. And if I put this into my clear powder, then I've got this dark purple stained. It will be translucent if we put it on the nail. Just want to show you, it also works with some of our glitter mixes, especially the lighter ones. Under normal circumstances, if I use this with normal liquid, it will look like this. Absolutely a silverish color. But if I use it with my liquid art, it is going to tint the powder in between, and I'm going to end up with that bright, dark, intense color. And that is our liquid art. So red and blue will give you green. And if you take blue and red will give you purple. And if you take red and your yellow, you will get orange.